fireplace crackled happily, sending warm light dancing across the room. The flames popped and glowed like tiny orange stars. Outside the window, snowflakes floated down from the sky, landing softly on the trees and mountains, as quiet as a whisper. Inside the cabin, everything felt safe and snug. The wooden floor was warm under little feet, and a comfy chair waited by the fire with a soft blanket, just right for cuddling. The room smelled like warm wood and peace. The wind tapped gently on the window, but it couldn't come inside. This was a place for resting and dreaming. The snow kept falling outside, and the fire kept glowing inside, like they were taking care of each other. As the night grew calm and still, the cabin seemed to smile. It was time to close sleepy eyes and think happy thoughts. The fire whispered, "Good night." The snow sparkled outside the window, and the world felt quiet, kind, and full of gentle dreams.